Hey Ben, so for this question, what you're going to do is it says identify the x and y intercepts of each line. Okay, so I'll just do A over here. So you have 4x minus 2y equals 8. So for the x-intercept, you set y equal to 0. Okay, so it's going to be 4x minus 2, y is 0, equals 8. Okay, so we have 4x equals 8, right? Because negative 2 times 0 is 0. Now to solve for x, you have to divide by the number in front, so we divide by 4 on both sides. 4 divided by 4 is 1x, 8 divided by 4 is 2. So this first point, x is 2 and y is 0. So you have that up here, you just put your brackets on there. The second one, for the y-intercept, we set x equal to 0. So same equation, 4 times 0 minus 2y equals 8. Okay, so 4 times 0 is 0, so we have negative 2y equals 8. Now to solve for y, you divide by 2, and y equals negative 4. So for this point, x is 0, y is negative 4. So you have that here, just don't forget your brackets. Okay, the only thing here is that make sure that you write x is 0 and y is negative 4. Now how you graph it is the first one, x is 2 and y is 0. Your dot is right here. The second one, x is 0, y is negative 4, goes right here. So it looks like you may have had that, okay? So you just join these lines, okay? And then you're going to do the same for the others, okay? So you're going to solve for the x-intercept, and then you solve for the y-intercept. So just remember, x-intercept, set y equal to 0, and for the y-intercept, set x equal to 0. Hope this helps.